right, here's another one of the Block Apocalypse series. This is actually a cul-de-sac or a little subdivision. Not a cul-de-sac, subdivision. It's down 11th. Looks like the city had something to do with it. It's boarded up pretty tight, but we just wanted to kind of document it. And what do we know about this? Do you know anything about it?
I don't know anything about it.
We stopped here. We are exploring. We seen a police officer sitting over here. And got to talk to him. It's gonna be a lot of wind, so I'm gonna lower the volume on this one, but we're gonna just kind of take a look around. All right. AJ02 1029. None of them. Well, that one, what is that?
It's just a storage.
A little storage unit. We're just gonna look and see what we can see. We got bigger fish to fry today, actually, and the boys just gonna hang out, do this, and be done. Next one. Another. Board's been off that one. Oh, here's an open one. Anybody in here? Owner of the property. Anybody in here? Don't get shot. One more time. Are you in here? All right, I'm coming in. Here's what they look like.
This reminds me of the old Harley guys I used to hang with. They were Harley, well, they were real Harley guys.
Moving out, and I got me a door and stuff, bro. For real, I need this one for that. It's too late now, though. Wow, that's perfect. That's exactly what I need.
What's that?
Not too bad.
Anybody up here?
That's fun recently, bro. Yeah.
See you outside.
Huh? I heard him call.
There's my phone. Check out that. To the side.
Did he have back?
Right there, look. There's Flesh out there doing his thing.
Here,
He's going a little explorer.
Come on in.
Let's see if we can just.
Open.
Alright, this is about it. It's warm in here. Well, I guess you've seen one, you've seen them all. Not a bad sized bedrooms. It's a 3-bedroom.
Hey, let me see your pistol. Let me see your pistol so I can take a picture.
Alright, well, there we go. Pretty much the gist of it. 3-bedroom. They're not that bad, as bad as I thought they'd be. And the whole block is closed, so we're gonna do a quick slow run there.
Apocalypse series?
Yeah,
Hey man, how many series you got going?
about 4.
That was
With more to come.
That was a smart one.
Not really. I didn't take it like that.
I did mess it up.
The Block Apocalypse. I thought that was a pretty cool title. Thank you. All right, we're 4.5 minutes into it. Basically, what you're seeing here is the same thing that we've seen over there. I mean, there's not a whole lot to explore other than what people might have left personally inside of them. So we just kind of take a quick peek around. The next block, there's a cul-de-sac over there.
More tires. Yeah, somebody.
So the doors here.
I ain't messing with that, bro. There might be somebody in there.
All right.
You never know.
That's 1043. Well, something's going on. And here's the other one. All right, we're gonna jump in the
Somewhere
van.
to get rid of them.
We're gonna head back over that way. But this is basically what they look like now.
Has somebody been shooting at that house? Hail damage?
They sprayed it and shit.
Yeah, shotgun? No.
Look at that shit. They sprayed this one. Look at all the way down.
They must have shot through the windows, too.
Crazy.
Yeah, I ain't going in that one.
I just wanted, man, I just wanted a little look. All right, we're going over there. We're gonna drive over there. Probably not even gonna get out. I'm gonna just kind of let you guys see what the house look like, and we're getting on to the next adventure.
Yeah, this is another.
Another block apocalypse.
Look at right across
Series.
the street and shit.
And then right across the street, that's where the old buildings were. Look, they tore it all down, and they built all the new stuff up there.
I don't want to go see that big ass star.
That's still all right. That ain't abandoned.
All right, we're heading over there.
Projects out here. Probably Hobart.
No, it ain't the brick company. Oh, you mean what company bricks they use?
Yeah.
Probably Hobart, I would say.
You guys heard
Those
them?
are a lot of bricks.
A lot of those shit.
I think there's a couple different companies.
A lot of these buildings built in Gary, these old buildings were built with Hobart bricks.
Yeah, these are younger
Yeah,
buildings.
these are 70s, you know?
Yeah.
Well, you guys are watching the video. Obviously, you know where we're at, and
I thought it was
we're doing a
something
block
like-
apocalypse.
What is it? Something low.
We're doing a block apocalypse, and I'm just gonna do a ride around this section of it. We kind of looked through a couple of those.
Still up.
We're seeing bullet holes all over the place, and not quite sure why they closed them,
That's a
but
good one.
anyway, want to document. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and let's check it out. All right.
That's what it said.
Don't hang it all. You don't have to hang it all the way up to the. Yeah, you just kind of do it like that. If it goes out the window, it's gonna start making that noise, the wind noise. You can kind of hear these clowns back here still talking too. So, thank you, man. I appreciate that, Seeker. You're a good cameraman. Well, here we go. We're turning in, and this is what they pretty much look like. Yeah, with the doors wide open. Over there, that one's over there. Anybody want to take a peek? Anybody want to take a peek? Anybody want to take a peek at one of them?
They're all the same.
Look right there.
Look at driving bitch. Oh, that's apartment. That's right.
These are some not bad houses, man.
We've seen a lot worse, man.
Look at this one.
This is one of the older side.
Why did they?
Like it could have been a cold day.
That's the back of the building that we were just in.
Now show this side, man. It's awesome. Go behind this stop sign. Read those. Now look at behind you. Got my thumbnail.
See this. Everybody got to pick on the big dog, I guess. Anyway, behalf of that social rec guy back there, I'm going to get him for the day's over with. Watch. On behalf of him, Jay Snap, who's back there, Midwest Flesh, Seeker, your boy The Storm. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe. Still see Storm. And what's that?
Now on to
We're about to go find some good stuff right now.
You know?
You heard them all.
You say Storm, take your butt and I'm come to your house and punch your butt or take your butt.